I have a question about anger.
Okay, go ahead.
So, do we get punished for just getting angry or for acting out of this anger? I mean, let's say someone says something nasty to us and we get angry, but we don't act upon it. We just suck it up.
Mm-hmm.
Is that considered that if we pass the test, or are we still going to get punished for it?
I think so. Yes. So not to get angry. If somebody getting us angry, it's you have to be wholly. I don't know. I don't remember what was the sage. Heal maybe, right from the Mishnah. Heal. So he would. It was impossible to get him angry. That's a famous story. But with other people, if you're not heal, I'm not heal. Somebody gets you angry and you're not acting. Right, so you swallow. That's you pass the test, absolutely. So I had somebody lie into my face. The guy overcharged me, and he was lying into my face, and I was like split second to do like to agree with him. Like it was no point to fight. It was no point like to argue, so that I know that the truth. Even okay, so I just follow up. Understand? It was maybe one of the smartest decision that I made. You understand? So like, so he said some. Okay, that there is some situation that you have to show that you're angry and you show that you're very angry, right? But inside you're not allowed to be angry, right? Especially they say sometimes with the family, right? So if you don't show that you're strict, you're angry, they're going to do whatever they want, right? But you show that you're angry. So, but inside, of course, don't be angry. There is no problem. That's actually proper. That's what Rambam suggests.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yes. So do not act on it. That's enough.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Yes, you're welcome.
So, first one, Shalom Kol additional question about anger. I learned that non-Jews are punished for both deeds and thoughts. So if one does not act upon the anger, but feel anger inside, does he get punished for the thoughts?
I mean, if he was thinking to hurt somebody, yes. Like to do some bad things, yes. You're right. I didn't want to mention that, yes. But with the Jew, only the action, that's what counts. That's the bottom line. If he did it or not. Did he do it or not? Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. Yeah, this is not like enough of a good reason to convert, then I don't know what is.
Yeah, that's a good reason, yeah.